Ready to assemble your custom closet from Closet Systems by Cooper? Here's what you'll need. As you unbox, arrange and group all items according to the itemized list in your order packet. First, you'll need to install the cleat on your closet wall at 72 inches from the floor to the bottom edge. Using your stud finder, find and mark the studs on the wall where you'll be putting the closet system. Drill a hole in the cleat at each wall stud and fasten it using number 8 wood screws. To ensure stability, extend the cleat a 1/4 inch beyond the edge of the closet system. If the cleat extends 3 inches beyond the last wall stud, add a wall anchor or extend it to the next wall stud. To build your OVO closet unit, gather your end panels, fixed shelves, nailers, dowels, and clips. Push the dowels into both sides of the fixed shelves and nailers. Then use a rubber mallet to seat the dowel all the way in. Insert the clips into the slots on the end panels with the open side facing up. Align the dowels to the clips and push to snap the shelves and nailers onto the end panels. If you're installing drawers, it's easiest to install the drawer slide hardware using the 5mm Euro screws before connecting the shelves and nailers to the end panels. For adjustable shelves or shoe shelves, insert the shelf rests into the end panels. For adjustable shelves, make sure the shelf rests are in the correct holes to assure a level shelf. For shoe shelves, first attach the shoe rail to the shelf. Put the back shelf rest 3 holes higher than the front shelf rest. Install the shelf by aligning the slot on the bottom of the shelf with the back shelf rest. The front of the shelf will rest on the front shelf rests. If your system comes with drawers, first separate the drawer slide hardware. Extend the slide, then press the plastic release lever while gently pulling on the slide drawer section to slide it out of the slide cabinet section. Using the dowels and clips, as with the main closet unit, assemble the drawer boxes with the drawer back to the ground. Attach the sides to the back before inserting the drawer bottom into the slot. Push the wire pull screws through the holes in the drawer face. Then align the wire pull with the screws and tighten. Then connect the drawer face to the sides. Mount a slide drawer section to each side of the drawer box by using the number 6 by 1 inch screws. Make sure the notched end faces the rear of the drawer. When installing the drawer box, make sure the slides latch and will not pull apart. Door installation is the last step for the cabinets. Make sure you've already installed shelves or drawers before this step. Position the bumpers to the top and bottom of the inside door panels opposite the hinges. To install the door hinges, push them into the hole on the back of the door and insert the screws. Match the door to the end panel to ensure the correct spacing, then screw the hinge plates to the end panels. Align the hinges and hinge plates, then slide onto the plates. Make sure the hooked end locks into the plate and snaps into place. Push the wire pull screws through the holes in the door, then align the wire pull with the screws and tighten. To install the hang rods, pre-drill the hole on the end panel. Then screw in the open-ended closet rod support. Do the same on the other side with the closed-end closet rod support. Push the hang rod into the closed end, then lift it into the open end. And that's it. Now it's time to enjoy your custom closet from Closet Systems by Cooper.